Number 3, you're following traffic on the interstate.
06 Whiskey, continuing on the downwind, number 3.
November 02 Bravo Whiskey, enter a left downwind for runway 7.
This one Tower Epic Air, final, 3-mile final, runway 7 there.
Clear 557, runway 7, clear to land.
Runway 7, clear to land, Epic Air 557.
Traffic.
06 Whiskey, you're following traffic, passing off your left side, you're clear touch and go, runway 7.
06 Whiskey, traffic in sight, clear touch and go.
Clear 563, on course for exchange approved.
On course for exchange approved, Epic Air 563.
Our 4624, ready for taxi, we'll take 11 for a south departure.
464, Roger, just follow the get away the aircraft ahead of you. He's going to be going over to 7, pass behind him, taxi runway 11.
Alright, we'll pass behind them, taxi to 11 via Bravo, 464.
Here 684, east to the beach, then southbound.
Good. Away to...
We'll take it to the beach, then southbound is approved, up here 684.
And over here 563 for exchange approved. Roto 464, you can taxi to runway 11 via Bravo.
1 via Bravo, 464. Oh, wait, 110, flaps 10.
Tis not available.
Here 684 for exchange approved, good day.
Flaps 20.
Number 2 Bravo Whiskey, you're going to be number 2, you're following a Cessna on a mile and a half final for runway 7.
402 Bravo Whiskey, following a Cessna, downwind 7.
Little 464, holding short of runway 11, ready for departure.
Little 464, runway 11, clear for takeoff southbound.
Little 464, clear for takeoff, runway